On today's episode, we're going to be looking at this watch repair kit that I got from AliExpress. If you don't own one of these, they're very inexpensive and a great thing to have around if you need to repair your watch, change your battery, or get inside the watch for any reason. All that being said, time's a ticking, so let's get stuck in. Hey guys, Matt Johnson here. How are you all doing? Today is Wednesday and we're going to be looking at this watch repair kit from AliExpress. Now before we do, on Monday we started my watch giveaway contest. It started on Monday and ends on July 20th. If you're not entered yet, go ahead and click on this link right here to the video and go ahead and enter the contest to win that amazing watch. Now, you know, these are great things to have around. I've had to many times replace a battery in a watch, change out the watch strap, remove links from a watch band, or get into the back of the watch for any reason. But that's not easy to do if you don't have the right tools on hand. So I recommend that if you're going to be doing any repairs or any battery changes to your watches, that you go out and get one of these watch repair kits. Now, this is one I bought from AliExpress. You can also get them on Amazon. They're very inexpensive. This one came in at less than $20. Right now I'm going to turn the camera around and show you inside this watch repair kit and show you some of the tools and things that are inside and how they are used. Let's not waste any more time. Let's turn the camera around and take a look. Alright guys, so here it is, the watch tool repair kit that I purchased on AliExpress. Now you can get these from AliExpress. You can get lots of different versions. This is just one version right here, a pretty inexpensive version, but has pretty much all of the tools that you're going to need to do most of the repairs, strap changes, battery changes, case back openers, and stuff like that on any of your watches. Now, you can also get these on Amazon. They come in at lots of different prices. This particular kit on AliExpress comes in at about $13 US, which is about $18 Canadian and slightly over 10 British pounds. The kit is a 15-piece kit if you count all of the pieces in there. Now, we're going to be taking a look at this and also showing you what some of the tools inside actually do when it comes to repairing and changing batteries and things on your watches. Now, first of all, I should mention you don't get these two watches with the repair kit. That would be nice. These are my own watches here for demonstration purposes to show you the things that these tools can do. First of all, we have a microfiber cleaning cloth, and it's a really good size, really good soft cloth. That's certainly going to come in useful for cleaning the watch faces on your beautiful timepieces. Secondly, we have this. This is a watch link remover, and the way that this works is that little pin there screws out with this handle. You lay the watch in there and you turn this to push this in to the watch band, which will push the pin out of the other side, and I'll show you that operating in a moment. We have this here, which is essentially a dust remover. It's a little ball. When you press, it forces air out the end. This is great when you're opening up a watch case back and you want to just remove some of the dust in there. You can give this a little blow and remove the dust inside your watch. Very, very useful indeed. This here is a pry knife. Now, the pry knife is great for removing case backs such as this one. This case back is always a little bit tricky to remove, and in fact if you use a knife or something like that and slip, you're going to actually scratch the case back, as you can see has happened right here. Basically, a watch pry knife fits under, if you look on this watch back, there's a little tab there, and if you put that under the tab and just give this a little turn, it will actually pop the back off the watch, and it's as simple as that. Very, very easy to do if you have the correct tools. So that's a watch pry knife. Now, I suppose this would be a good point to show you this. This here is a little dual head hammer. Now, a dual head hammer like this is used obviously for hammering things. I guess that's a technical term. Now, this has a metal head and a plastic rubber head. Now, the rubber head is nice because if you're hammering something like this case back on, it's not going to scratch the case. And so basically we can use this to hammer that case back on that we've just taken off nicely, and using that plastic head there doesn't scratch the case. So that's nice and is included in the set. Now we have here a watch case holder. This is great when you're going to be working on your particular watch. It's got 4 movable heads here which we can move like this. Essentially what happens is we turn this little dial on the side until we have the correct case size for the watch that we are working on. Now you can see I've moved those pins there slightly too far out. So the nice thing about this is it has multiple holes, so we can put these a little closer together like this, and we can turn this, and essentially what that's going to do is hold the watch in place. And once the watch is held in place, that means that then we have a secure watch face to work on like this, so that we can work on different things, the crown, the face, the case. We can turn it over, work in the back of the watch. So that's a watch case holder, and that also comes in the watch repair kit. So what else is in here? Well, we have multiple tools. We've got pin pushers, we've got screwdrivers. These are all stainless steel, very nicely made. These here are pin pushers for pushing out the pins in your metal watch straps. This one here is actually a dual head screwdriver. So if we open this up on one end, on this side it has, as you can see, a flathead screwdriver right there, and on the other end inside there, nicely secure inside, we've got a Phillips head screwdriver. So these are going to cover you for the screws that you will need to remove both on the outside and inside of your watches. In this little box here, we have an eyeglass. Now, an eyeglass is used, especially if you're working on the inside of your watch. It allows you, essentially like a magnifying glass. In fact, you can see there, it's magnifying. It essentially allows you to get really close inside the watch and have a better view of what's going on for close-up things like the small springs, cogs, and screws. So that's in there as well. Really, really nice to have that in the set. Now, a couple more things in this set here. This little thing here, this little strange thing, is a watch band holder. So essentially, if you're working on the watch band and you want to keep it steady and in place, you can put the watch band through the holder and it just holds it in place. And it's got multiple ways of doing that for different strap lengths. And this is handy if you want to push out the pins here. So here will be a tool. You will put the watch band in the watch band holder, and then using this tool you could actually push the pins out, and this is hollow underneath. So this is going to allow you to push the pin out of your watch here and work on your band and change links and remove links and things like that. So watch band holders are really, really useful. Finally, what we have here is this, which is essentially a watch case adjustable back opener, and this only works for this kind of back. Now you can see on here that we have these little notches in the watch case back, and these are little indented notches, and basically this tool is adjusted until it fits in two of the opposite notches, and then you can use this to turn to remove the case back. So on a press down case back like this, you're going to use your pry knife, but on a case back like this one, you're going to need a tool like this. Now, let me show you how this works. Before I show you how this works, we need to open up this strap so I can actually get to the back. So what we'll do is we'll take our watch pin remover, and we will place the strap here on the watch pin remover like this, and we will line up the hole, and hopefully I get this just right. So we'll line up the hole here, and we screw this in to the watch pin, and as I turn, you can see that the watch pin is coming out on the opposite side. Now that's very, very difficult to do with any other tool other than a watch pin remover. And now you can see the watch pin has come out on this side. You simply pull it out, and then you have a loose watch strap like that. And this is a great way to take links out of your watch strap and then put them back. Very, very handy indeed. Now, once this is opened up, we can then take our adjustable case back remover, and what we want to do is line this up so that the pins are the same size as the notches in the case back. So we do that by turning this wheel, basically moves them in or out. Now you can see those are lined up. Hopefully you can see that there. And now that they're lined up, all I have to do is give this a turn, and that removes the case back. Very, very easy when you've got the right tools, and that comes in this watch repair kit. So look at that, super, super easy to do. And now I'm inside the automatic movement of this Tissot watch. So now that I'm in there, I can do things like I can use my little dust remover here to blow inside to get rid of the dust. I can use my little screwdrivers to adjust the settings in the back of the movement here, and I can do all of that with this watch repair kit. Once I'm done, it's a very easy matter to just put the case back on there, turn this back into place, and then once it tightens up, we just take our little case back remover tool, put that back in the notches, give it a little turn just to tighten that up, and we are good to go. So there you go. That's essentially all the different tools that come in the kit. Very, very useful, very, very handy. It means that you can change out your own batteries in watches, you can remove links from watches, you can open case backs, you can do your own basic repairs to your watches, all of that with this kit. It's an incredible kit, again, available on AliExpress, and you can also get similar kits on Amazon as well. All right, guys, so there it is, the watch repair kit from AliExpress. Now, as I said, you can get these from AliExpress. You can also get these on Amazon.com, Amazon.ca, Amazon.co.uk, and I will put links in the description below this video to all of the places online where you can purchase these and get them for less than $20. Now, a lot of these kits you can buy for over $20, but I highly recommend you don't spend that much money. It's completely pointless. Get yourself a good value watch kit like this and you'll be good to go. Now, don't forget, if this is your first time here, please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this video. I do new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, bringing you the very best in beer news and watch reviews. So I know you're going to enjoy this channel. Also, don't forget to click on the bell button up there to the right of the search bar so you don't miss a single video. And if you don't mind, guys, give me a thumbs up, and please do leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you thought of this video, and also if there's anything else I can do for you here on this channel. Well, that's it for now, guys. We'll see you again on Friday with another great review video. If you haven't seen this video, click on it right here and click on the beer and watch logo right there to subscribe. Take care and bye for now.